welcome back to EGJ Vlogs with me, Darcy. This is Gabby, you've probably seen it before, and just at the side here is Ruby. Today we're going to be making some slime.
Then who can make the best slime?
Well, who can make the best slime wins, what is it again?
The £10
£10 Claire voucher.
Well, so no, I told you it was going to be that, but
wait, what?
It's 10 grand.
10 grand?
10 grand.
It's a £10 Claire.
No, it's not. Don't lie.
Right, so we get right cracking into the video in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to walk you through the ingredients and we're going to start going. So
we've got glue, PVA glue. Then we've got some shaving cream if you want to make fluffy slime. Borax, do not eat it.
This
and
is
water.
From
To make the activator.
Beads and more foam beads.
We've got green apple scent.
Some
cornstarch, flour for butter slime. 2 colours, blue and orange. Glitters and mixers.
We've got mixes. We've got 2 paints, blue and orange. We've got, what is that? Is it apple scent?
No. This is
purple beads here.
soft.
We got purples.
Glycerine slime.
This is from Dolphin Slime. So if you're out there, Dolphin Slimes, shout out to you. So we're gonna get right cracking in with the video.
And if you do like slimes, get that. It's like
we're gonna crack into the video in 3, 2. We're back. So
Ruby. Okay. So I'll quickly go.
Oh my god, everything's just like, oh my gosh.
I'll go first with the glue and get some.
I don't know what slime.
We're not going to actually show you the slimes until the end because otherwise it'll like kind of give it away.
We have to be quick for this
show
video
because
we're only allowed a 7-minute video on this phone. So.
Because we have bad technology.
Yeah. I'm going to make mine a little fluffy.
Bloody hell, a little.
We
cannot show you it until the end, so.
Yeah, that's why. You can see a bit of
skip until the end if you're getting bored, but yeah.
I'm going to put a bit of apple green scent. Where's my stirrer? I need to get my stirrer to
Wait, do we have like a stirrer? Oh yeah, we have some. And then we'll just add it.
I'm only going to make mine a bit fluffy, otherwise like I'll think that bad. I feel like it's whipped cream, like when we're making milkshake.
Damn.
If we run out of storage on this phone, we're going to film on another phone. So yeah, we'll probably film on Ruby or Gabby's phone. So we needed to edit it. We're going to be making loads of videos tonight, so make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah.
I don't want to add too much. Oh, how do you use this? I'm really
like shake it, like when you do whipped cream.
just like a tiny bit. I don't want loads.
Like the same as you put in yours, Gabby.
No, like
no,
a tiny bit more. She had like a finger of that's fine. I'm just gonna like stir this in.
Alright, so I've got a bit of apple scent in mine. Mine
smells good anyway. Even though mine smells.
Guys, if you're getting bees, just slowly do it so we can't see which ones.
I'm gonna make. I've got fluffy, so.
How do you open this?
No, there's like the sticky things that you peel off.
Oh yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna make some butter slime. So hold on, I don't.
You're making butter slime?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
I was gonna make butter slime with fluffy slime, but it's too much. That's like.
Is this cornstarch? I have cornstarch at home. But I'm gonna pinch some cornstarch.
Need a bit more of the activator. It's the best part, activator. When you activate,
and then you're like, oh my god, my slime's working. Oh my guys.
I'm basically making the activator. The activator.
Here is our cornstarch. Just gonna put it in.
Are you actually gonna make butter slime? I will be surprised if this works. Don't look at anyone else's slime until like the end.
It's hard not to look at it.
Yeah, because I already know what yours is.
What, mine?
Yeah, because you already told me what.
Still. Hold on, I'm just gonna go wash my hands.
Right now. Alright, so I'm gonna add some glitter.
I might add some cornstarch to see if it use this. Oh no, I'm not going to because you know what?
Guys, if nobody's ever told in this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye.
You said that so quick.
Like, okay, we've only got 3 minutes left.
Doesn't matter, we can just film now.
Because we don't
hurry
have
up. Hurry up. Guys, so we're going to skip until the end and then we'll show you them at the end, okay? So bye.
We'll be making more slime.
Just a tiny
Okay,
bit.
we are back. So
Mhm.
me and Ruby finished our slime, but by accident Ruby
Overactivating the slime.
Right.
once,
yeah.
and then now she's done it a little bit twice.
Mhm.
We're trying to
No, I
fix
haven't
it,
done it a little
and then we're
bit
going to come
twice.
back and show you our slime and clear the table.
Good, yeah.
A little bit twice.
Okay, we are back. We've finished our slime.
Who's going to go first? You?
I'll go first.
I'll go on.
So I've called mine rainbow slime
Can you move up?
because it's got yellow
I'm
foam
blocked
beads,
out.
purple, and a little bit of pink foam beads. Mine's got silver glittering, very stretchy. Let's see. Oh, it sounded like an ocean then. So it can do it in strand swirl. Need to do the slime test.
Oh.
Quick though, because we've only got 7
Wait,
minutes.
move on to the next person now.
Got a minute.
And it's clicky. Great. Right,
Mine
mine go.
No, mine's called.
Mine is called Sunset. It has obviously it's orange, as you can see. It has you can just briefly see some yellow foam balls. It's really pokey and it's pretty stretchy.
This is mine. Mine's called Pink Paradise. It's got silver glitter, white glue, and pink big foam beads. Really stretchy. And
Right.
I love it.
Right, so guys, comment down below what slime you would buy if you went to a slime shop and all these slimes were on the website.
Mine.
What slime would you buy? It can either be, comment down below at Sunset, Pink Paradise, or just comment down Darcy, Ruby, or Gabby's. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Goodbye.